Hey guys, Jack Scalfani, Cooking with Jack Show, and today we're making toasted sesame ginger salmon. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, obviously you're gonna need salmon, green onions, little brown sugar, some ginger, honey, garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, olive oil, and toasted sesame seeds. You want to look on the spice aisle for toasted sesame seeds. All right, let's make our marinade with oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, the brown sugar, ginger. I'm more of a Marianne person myself, but we'll do ginger today. Garlic. And most important, toasted sesame seeds. If you have diverticulitis, then just take the seeds out. Don't use the seeds. And stir it up. Now take your marinade and pour it into the fish and seal it up. All right, first thing you're gonna wanna do is add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay, you're gonna bake this in the oven at 450 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes. About halfway through the cooking, we're gonna do a little basting job of the honey. You guys are probably wondering, what was the honey for? This is what the honey's for. Wanted to get that salt and pepper and marinate in first. Time to garnish it. Make sure it's done. Oh, it's beautiful and flaky. Look at that. As soon as it touched my tongue, it tasted so good. It's flaky, it's beautiful, it's marinated. You guys need to eat more fish. Really good. So delicious. All right, I'm gonna sit down with my wife and have some lunch, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care, bye-bye.